So I used to be that person who'd hit snooze like 7 times every single morning. Now I'm up at 5:30 without even setting an alarm. And trust me, I am literally the laziest person you'll ever meet. If you think waking up early is all about discipline and willpower and all that stuff, I've got news for you. It's not. Let me show you what actually works. Okay, so here's the deal. You're not bad at waking up early, like at all. You're just working against how your body actually functions. Your body's got this thing called a circadian rhythm. Basically, it's like your internal clock that's been ticking away since day one. And right now, chances are you're telling it to do two totally different things at the same time. No wonder every morning feels like you're going to war with yourself. But the good news? Instead of trying to force yourself out of bed, we're going to trick your body into actually wanting to wake up early. Way easier. Hack number one, light is your cheat code. All right, so your brain has this internal clock that's obsessed with light. Here's what you do. The second you wake up, get bright light in your eyes, not your phone screen, actual sunlight or a bright lamp, within the first 30 minutes. Stanford researchers found that morning light tells your body this is when we wake up now. Over time, your body just starts expecting it. I bought a cheap daylight lamp for like 20 bucks and put it on a timer so it clicks on 10 minutes before my alarm. My room lights up, my brain thinks the sun's rising, and boom, I'm awake. My body literally just does it on its own now. Zero effort. That's the whole point. Hack number two, make your bed uncomfortable. I know this sounds kind of weird, but just stick with me for a sec. The reason you keep hitting snooze is because your bed feels amazing in the morning, right? So we're going to make it just a little bit less amazing. And you don't even have to do anything. Before you go to sleep at night, set your thermostat or turn on a fan, whatever you've got, to make your room colder in the morning. Your body temperature drops while you're sleeping anyway, and when it starts coming back up in the morning, that's basically your body's signal to wake up. When your room's cooler in the morning, staying in bed just doesn't feel as good anymore. You're not fighting yourself. You're literally just making the lazy choice the right choice. Hack number three, bribe yourself. Okay, this one's my absolute favorite because you're basically just rewarding yourself. Put something you genuinely look forward to in your morning routine. For me, it's good coffee, like really good coffee. I prep everything the night before, set my coffee maker on a timer, and honestly, the smell of fresh coffee wakes me up before my alarm even goes off. There's actually research on this. Your brain responds way better to immediate rewards than it does to some vague long-term goal. Your brain doesn't care about being more productive at 5 a.m., but that cinnamon roll sitting on your counter? Oh yeah, your brain cares about that. Make waking up early the easiest way to get something you actually want. That's not discipline, that's just being smart about being lazy. Try to go to bed around the same time every night. I know, that sounds like it requires discipline, right? But here's the lazy hack. Just pick a time and do it for like 3 days straight. After that, your body literally starts getting tired at that time on its own. You're not forcing anything. You're just setting up a pattern and letting your body take over. That's it. If you like watching this kind of stuff, productivity tips, self-help hacks, things that are actually backed by science, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out and keeps these videos coming. And I promise I'll keep them short and actually useful.